welcome back on this Tuesday morning. So we still have some rain moving across the eastern UP. The swath of steady rain in those eastern counties, that's the remnants of those strong to severe thunderstorms that roll throughout the overnight hours. They produce some wind gusts of around 60 miles per hour. They were warned for hail as well. We have no severe storm alerts in place right now. But there is a beach hazard statement for Marquette and Alger counties, as today we are expecting winds to increase along with those wave heights. There is also a small craft advisory along Lake Superior. So steady rain right now for Alger, Northern Schoolcraft, and Luce counties as this continues to push east and out of the UP. There is this cluster of thunderstorms over in Ontonagon County that's moving onshore. Here's the frontal boundary. We're expecting that front to track east throughout the day slowly, but there's still going to be a lot of moisture in place. And while we are not going to be in the 90s today, we'll see some 70s. There's still enough heat, moisture, and energy in the atmosphere to potentially trigger another round of strong to severe thunderstorms. So the Storm Prediction Center has most of the UP under marginal risk, a level 1 for those strong to severe storms, with level 2 over in Menominee counties. So those storms could produce, similar to what we had overnight, some damaging wind gusts of around 60 miles per hour, as well as some large hail, torrential heavy sheets of rain also. So we'll time it out here for you. What we're seeing this morning moves on out by about mid-morning. This is midday, where you are going to be catching a break at that point. Around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, our model starting to bring in some thunderstorms over Gogebic, Ontonagon, as well as Iron counties. Coverage is expected to increase between 6 and 9 o'clock later on tonight across those western interior areas and along the Wisconsin state line. And it's that time frame between 4 and 8 o'clock that we could have these storms be strong to severe. They'll push east and weaken later on tonight, so by tomorrow morning it's just very light scattered rain showers across the north, and then they diminish rather quickly early tomorrow morning. Temperatures today a little bit more seasonal, as most areas will be in the lower 70s in the north, and then you can expect upper 70s and some lower 80s across the south. But by 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right along Lake Superior, it will be a little cooler as temperatures dip down into the 60s. So we do have some cooler air on the way. It's just going to take a little bit of time. However, unfortunately today we continue with a lot of the moisture and the humidity, dew points in the upper 60s, and then here comes that drier air sinking in tomorrow. This is Wednesday morning. Those dew points dipping down into the 50s, and temperatures into the mid to upper 60s for tomorrow afternoon. So some cooler, less humid conditions for Wednesday. So kind of catching a break, but we have to get through another humid day.
Coming up in sports, Kevin McNulty gives us a look at the